is here today. We decided to do
the slime challenge, and this is my sister's channel.
let's get started.
We each have our own food coloring, and the only things that we could use is food coloring, a bowl, like a mixing tool, shaving cream, glue, and liquid starch. This is for a fluffy slime, but we don't have to mix up these fluffy slime. So,
whatever you want.
let's get started. So I'm gonna put the glue in for
And
my.
then I'm gonna put it next.